Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we are going to make Mumbai style Masala Pav. These days there's a trend going on. All the street foods, whether it's dosa, pav bhaji, anything, they make it overloaded with lot of butter and cheese. Of course my version is simpler and healthier. At home we can make the same thing in a healthy way and enjoy it. The taste may differ. Okay, once in a way it's fine to eat all that loaded heavy stuff, but it's better to make it at home and enjoy the same dish. So let's proceed to make it. Masala Pav, a delicious and spicy street food from Mumbai. You can enjoy it at any time, breakfast, brunch, lunch, or as an evening snack. For this we'll require finely diced onion about 1 cup, 1 tomato diced after removing the seeds, garlic 1 teaspoon, green chillies 1 or 2, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, lots of fresh coriander leaves about 1 cup maybe, and for spice powders we have cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, and then we have quarter teaspoon of Amchoor powder or dry mango powder. This is Maggi masala, magic masala. You get this in sachets, you can use 1 sachet. If you don't have this, you can use pav bhaji masala instead. Tomato puree 1 tablespoon, oil as needed, butter 2 tablespoons, 4 pav breads or as needed. Ingredients also can be seen in the description box. Now take a tawa or a griddle, heat oil on it, about 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, first add the ginger and garlic. Saute them. Toss them until they change the color and give out an aroma. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon, and also choose the all option so that you don't miss out any updates whenever I post a new video. Here the sauteing is done. Now dip in the finely diced onions. Continue stirring until they change the color and become golden pink. You can see now the color is changing. The onion has become translucent and cooked. Now add the diced tomatoes. As I've mentioned earlier also in my videos, when you add tomatoes, add the salt immediately. Add as much as required. This helps in cooking it faster because salt makes the tomatoes tender and brings out the sourness also. Stir and continue to cook until the tomatoes are soft. Keep mashing with the spatula. Keep the flame on medium. This looks nearly done now. Time to add the spices. Add all the spice powders mentioned in the list and also the sachet of magic masala. If you don't have this, you can replace it with pav bhaji masala. Mix everything very well so that the spices get cooked with the juices of the onion and tomato. Add fresh coriander leaves and little bit of tomato puree, about 1 tablespoon, and stir them together. Be generous with coriander leaves, they add real nice flavor. Even the chillies you can add more if you like. Check the salt at this stage and adjust if required. It's nice and well blended now. Push it to one side. Now we are going to heat the pav. Remove little bit, about a spoonful of masala, and add butter to it. when you heat pav on this, it gives nice color also to the pav bread. Once the butter is melted, slice the pavs into halves and place them on it. Reduce the flame and let them heat well. Spread some butter on top as well. Looks so tempting. Can't wait to have it. Now flip the bread and let it get cooked on the other side also. Press with the spatula. Now you can spread some masala on them. Delicious. There's more masala left. You could have had one more pav. Garnish with some coriander leaves. It's done now. Once they are very nicely hot, you can serve them immediately. Lovely. Here is the delicious masala pav for you. In the streets, they put a lot of cheese over it. If you wish, you can also add grated cheese on top while you are heating it. Looks so inviting. It's a snack you can have any time of the day. You can enjoy it for breakfast along with a glass of lassi, or for brunch, lunch, or as an evening snack, also tea time snack. Yummy, yummy. You can add some more masala if you wish. This masala can be made ahead also and stored previous day if you want to have it quick breakfast when you are entertaining or having guests. Let's taste it. Wow, wow, super delicious. Must give it a try. Thanks for watching this video and check out this playlist for more videos. Take care and have a nice day.